We have seen how to transfer assets from Ethereum to Polygon network. If you haven't seen the video, you can click on the link above here. Now in this video we will discuss how to withdraw the funds back from Polygon to Ethereum. The process is very simple. We need to burn the assets on Polygon and submit the proof of burn to the Ethereum contract. So this was the code we had designed in the last tutorial. Now let's burn the ERC20 token with the help of burn ERC20 method in Matic POS client. This will take arguments of child token address, amount to be burned, and account address. In return, we will get the proof receipt in JSON format containing all the information about this transaction. We have to submit this proof in the form of burn transaction hash. We have also put the console messages in between to track the processes. Now let's comment out the above function. Also there is a catch. We can execute the exit ERC20 function only after the checkpoint is included. We will discuss how to track the checkpoints in another video. For now, let's comment on this function. Now let's check the token balances in both the networks. As you can see, we have 0.08 dummy ERC20 token on Matic network and 2.1 on Goerli network. Let's run the file with node-index.js and wait for the transaction to be confirmed. Now copy this transaction hash and paste it somewhere safe so as to submit it for exiting. You can see the balance is also reduced. That means our tokens are burned successfully. Note that it may take 10 to 20 minutes to include this checkpoint. Before that, exit ERC20 will throw an error. We will see how to track the checkpoints in another video. Now let's comment on the burn functions and execute the exit function. Instead of proof.transaction, we will paste the transaction hash directly. Let's run the file with node-index.js and wait for the transaction to be confirmed. After successful exit, you will get this receipt and the tokens will be funded on Ethereum network back. We will see the complete process of transferring of this asset and how this works in another video. That's it for this video guys. See you in the next video.